To enter recovery mode in Oppo A6 Pro 5G, first of all you will need to power off your device. Usually all you have to do is click and hold power button right here and then just slide down to the power off section. Then if you have password you will need to unlock your device. And finally, after a few moments, our phone should power off. Now, next step is to click again on the power button and volume up, down button together at the same time. So this button and this one right here. If we click on both of them and hold them during the boot, we need to also let go of the power button when you see Oppo logo. We can enter the recovery mode. And now to navigate here, you will need to use a volume down and volume up button and power button to select. So we're gonna go for English, select it, and then in recovery we can reboot our device, power it off, or perform the factory reset. And that is basically everything. Thanks so much for watching.